recycling of paper being a very important step in this process. Using of books and minimum usage of paper is also a step which can help in paper conservation.
Global warming is an issue of grave concern. It is leading to the depletion of the ozone layer. Reduce the usage of cars, ACs and refrigerators. Maybe just completely stop using them, as they lead to the emission of greenhouse gases.